So you've just graduated and you're thinking, okay, what's next? If this is you, you are definitely not alone. It's on every graduate's mind. The MBA dream, right? It promises leadership, growth, and so many new doors opening. But let's be real. The path to actually getting there can feel, well, super overwhelming. First up, you're hit with a maze of choices for the program itself. Full-time, executive, online, they're all totally different paths. How do you even choose? And just when you think you've got a plan, another hurdle pops up. Suddenly, there's this huge wall of acronyms standing between you and your dream school. But what if you had a map to guide you through this whole journey? We've broken down the entire process, from your first question all the way to your final admission. Ria's complete journey from total confusion to absolute clarity is waiting for you. Watch the complete explainer on our channel, and for more info, visit the PCDS website.